Hello and welcome to News Laundry Interviews. Today I am joined by a columnist for News Laundry, but other News Laundry, he's also written for many other news platforms, and Anurag Verma, whose book, The Great Indian Brain Rot, Love, Lies and Algorithms in Digital India. Anurag, what is the difference between a podcast and an interview?
Earlier, I think people used to laugh on these kind of questions, like for example, आप आम काट के खाते हैं या कैसे खाते हैं. Now every media organization started podcast, and these are the aesthetic of interview. कि आप क्या करते हैं, घर पे क्या करते हैं, आप गडकरी को बैठाएंगे, आपके वड़े की रेसिपी बताइए.
Content मिल जाता है, जवाब नहीं मिलते.
आप बहुत ही अपर क्लास से आते हो, बट आपसे क्वेश्चन ऐसे पूछेंगे कि आप भी सब्जी लेने जाते हो, धनिया के दाम बढ़ते हैं. हाँ, बहुत दिक्कत होती है, धनिया का दाम बढ़ता है. आई ऑलवेज से दैट व्हेन वी आर ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड इंटरनेट, देन वी कांट डिटैच इट फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी वी लिव. इंटरनेट इज जस्ट अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर थिंग्स हैपन. सो इंटरनेट बाय इटसेल्फ इज नथिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लोग बोलते हैं कि इंस्टा इज कास्टिस्ट, but I'm saying Insta is a platform. People are casteist. Society is casteist.
And I have noticed on red light sometimes this new sticker Hindu with that flag, but now another one Brahman. People are saying log Jat और Gujjar लिख सकते हैं, Brahman क्यों नहीं लिख सकते?
I often say the highways are caste in motion. Indian highways. So there is a chapter called Kurukshetra of caste. In that I just try to understand the NCR में किस तरह का caste structure है through online. So they're like how Gujjars mobilize through it, and what kind of fights that are happening between Gujjars versus Rajput versus Jat. Initially these creators start as Hindu, Chhattis Biradari, Bhaichara. But whenever the fight happens online, then they just break into caste identities. Like Jat, now Rajput, Jat versus Rajput. Caste war की एक NCR में बहुत होने वाला था एक टाइम पे. Like उसका end ऐसा हुआ था कि they were planning to have a cage fight in Jhajjar. So then Jhajjar police has to arrest those two creators, detain those two creators, and say that there would be no cage fights.
बताओ. There are several questions about brain rot. How do you improve? How do you stop it? How do you define it, first of all?
जैसे ऑक्सफोर्ड ने ठप्पा लगा दिया, we realize there is something called brain rot, and there is something wrong with the content we consume. How I look at the brain rot is not about the content, it's about how we consume media. In the short format, you are just lying at your home and you are just scrolling, and you are searching for something. You become a seeker in that sense. Like you're searching for something for 2 hours, 3 hours. Those who are serial doom scroller will understand, because I am one. तो आपको ऐसा लग रहा है आप पानी के अंदर चले गए, तो एकदम वो साउंड भी बंद हो जाती है पानी के अंदर. फिर अचानक 3 घंटे बाद फिर साउंड फिर से शुरू होते हैं. तो 3 घंटे निकल चुके हैं आपके.